This is Scott the Fix-It Guy with a really easy way to cure a dryer that's taking way too long to dry. There's a good chance that the dryer vent tube or this outside piece that leaves your house is just full of dryer lint, and that the hot air and moist air cannot leave your house, cannot leave the dryer. This can also lead to dryer fires. This is a rodent type of screen that we recommend you do not use because these tend to fill up with lint. This one's about 98% occluded, meaning that only about 2% of the heat and moisture can leave. So I'm going to be removing this and then cleaning it and then putting it back. But I'm going to recommend to the homeowner to actually change it to a different type of a piece that leaves the house. So here it is again. This is a bird and rodent guard, and look how bad that is. I mean, basically no air is able to leave. And when you can't get the moisture out of your house, your dryer will not be able to dry the clothes. It'll take hours and hours. Even inside the tube, there's tons of lint in there. So I used my lint tool and I got all that out of there. I cleaned up the vent, got it nice and clean. But again, I'll recommend that they change it. Here's all the lint that come out. So these are the ones you don't want to use. These have a screen and they're designed to keep out birds and rodents, but you really don't need that. There's another type that works much better. This one is probably the worst because it has all kinds of things obstructing the airflow. This kind with the little louvers that open up when the air is coming through is highly recommended, and then when the air stops, they close, keeping out birds and rodents. There's another version of that. So I hope that's been helpful to you. After cleaning it, I think your dryer is going to be working as good as new again. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.